Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Restful stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, and the half double crochet spike stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you can make any number of chains. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook. You'll now make 1 half double crochet stitch into each chain across. So that's 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook, and then 1 half double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. For row 2, we're simply going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch across. So that's 1 chain and then 1 single crochet into each stitch across for row 2. To start row 3, make 2 chains. For our sequence, we're going to be making half double crochet spike stitches into the spaces between stitches from our first row. So we're going to be skipping over our second row completely, working into this first row down here. And you're going to be working into these spaces between stitches. So yarn over your hook, skip this row, working into these stitches down here, into this space between stitches, you're going to make a half double crochet. And that's going to be considered a spike stitch because you're working it down into previous stitches. Spike stitches are just considered long stitches. It's just a long half double crochet. Yarn over your hook. You're going to skip this stitch right here into this space right here in between stitches. Work a half double crochet. Yarn over your hook. We're skipping this row completely. Row 2. We're working into the space between stitches in row 1. Make a half double crochet. Skipping this next stitch into this space between stitches in row 1, make a half double crochet. So you can see how this row is looking so far. And you're now going to repeat this sequence until you reach the last stitch in this row. When you reach the end of your row and you only have 1 stitch left, work 1 regular half double crochet into this stitch from the second row, like normal, to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Restful stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.